Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G733. In this video I'll show you how to enable macros and assignments for your headphones. In the beginning, go to Logitech G HUB. Select your headphones and go to Assignments. Now you can enable audio assignments. Commands. Here is the full list of all Windows commands. You can search for keys and then assign them. Like this. You can assign actions to your special button or create new actions. Also, you can create new macros and assign them to your headphones. In the end, you can assign system commands to your headphones. Now, in order to use it, you have to simply tap on this G logo. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.